This video shows Genius Smart space-saving furniture. Foldable furniture will help you save space in your room. If you want to use this smart home design idea, watching this video will help you implement it. The dimensions of the components of the bunk folding bed are shown in the video. You can make such incredibly compact furniture yourself or use the services of a specialist. This Bunk Murphy bed can fit perfectly into the design of your room. So, the elements of the bed. Ladder for a bunk bed and its dimensions. Bed base. Support bolts. Self-tapping screws for the top cover of the base. Top cover and its dimensions. Self-tapping screws for frame fastening. Frame components and dimensions. Base fastening elements. External base elements and dimensions. You can choose the front part of the base to match the design of your room. Base fastening elements in the upper position. Support part of the Murphy bed and fastening elements. Dimensions of the support part. You need to see how to assemble the smart furniture structure. Best unique and space-saving furniture fits perfectly into the interior and saves space.